Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable DAC for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. So right now, if I enter to the developer options, you can see that we have only two Bluetooth audio codecs, SBC and AC. So we need to enable DAC using application. Now, to use LDAC, your phone should support this codec also. And you cannot enable DAC on your iPhone, because Apple devices support AC and SBC codecs, doesn't support high resolution audio codecs. Now, you need to open HUAWEI Live application. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. If you don't know how to install and set up the application or how to add these earbuds to the app, you can check videos at this channel. Now, once you add them, you will see them at the device list. You need to tap on them and then scroll down just a bit. You need to find sound quality line, tap at this line, and right here we need to select prioritize sound quality. After that, we use LDAC, so we can return to the developer options, and right here, as you can see, we use LDAC and we have it at the list. Now, to disable DAC, you need to, in the developer options, or select AC codec or SBC, or you can just swap in the application, swap to the prioritize connection quality. And now, again, we use AC. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!